exhale, exhale, 6, relax. In and out, relax.
Zain was like, is this your school? No, I'm going to Pilates. I love you. Say bye. Good luck.
Bye, good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Hi, Coach!
Hi!
By the way, I'm wearing Sizzies. Okay, Coach.
Ready?
Sana, I think so.
If ever man, more of stretches muna tayo.
Okay.
Sige, let's start with lunges. Right knee down, right foot up again. Okay, so inhale to prepare. Exhale, launch back, hips down. Feel the stretch on your legs, then inhale, return. Shoulders more relaxed. Exhale, push, lengthen your arms. Then 5, lower by your hips. There, inhale, return. And here.
Cool down.
Ang layo ng flex. Sige, bend mo to. Bend mo to. Yan. So now, inhale, prepare. Exhale, slide to your right as far as you can. Toes pointing opposite. Sige, go. Push long as you can. Then relax. Go. Last 6. Exhale, 6. Again, 5. Stretch. Back. The bar. Feet together. Yes, feet together. Knees first spine up to the carriage. Engage mo yung core. Then inhale, return ng bigat. Kaya naman. Exhale, lengthen your legs. Then return. Close the carriage. Last 6. Exhale, 6. Third. Last 4. Exhale. So now we're gonna work on your core. 5 again. Extend. Next. Then return. Go. Last 4. 3, 4 more. Done. Last 2. Inhale, return. Last 1. Sige, go.